So, you've finally done it. You've joined the electric revolution. You're the proud owner of a Tesla. Congrats. But now, you're probably wondering, how do I actually control this thing without a key? Well, the answer lies in your pocket, or rather, your smartphone. It's time to dive into the world of the Tesla app. Let's face it, in today's world, your phone is basically an extension of you. It does everything from ordering your groceries to controlling your smart home. So, it makes sense that it would also control your car, right? But the Tesla app is more than just a key fob on steroids. It's your digital command center for your electric ride. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of downloading and setting up the app, let's talk about why you even need it. Imagine being able to preheat your car on a cold winter morning before you even step outside. Or maybe you want to cool it down on a scorching summer day. With the Tesla app, these are just the tip of the iceberg. You can lock and unlock your car remotely, check your car's location, monitor its battery level, and even schedule charging. It's like having a constant eye on your Tesla, no matter where you are. And if you're worried about security, don't be. Tesla takes security seriously. Your car and your data are protected by top-notch encryption. Alright, enough teasing. Let's get to the download. First things first, grab your phone. Whether you're rocking an iPhone or an Android, the Tesla app is available on both platforms. Just head to your app store and search for Tesla. It should be the first result. Click on the app icon and hit that download button. Easy peasy, right? Once the app is downloaded, it's time to set it up. You'll need your Tesla account information for this. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it on Tesla's website. Once you're logged in, the app will connect to your car. It might take a few minutes, so grab a coffee or a snack while you wait. Now, you're probably wondering what you can do with the app. Well, as I mentioned earlier, the possibilities are endless. You can use it to control your car's climate, lock and unlock doors, find your car in a crowded parking lot, and even summon your car to you, if your car is equipped with autopilot. But that's not all. The Tesla app also gives you access to a wealth of information about your car, including charging history, energy consumption, and driving range. You can even schedule service appointments and get over-the-air software updates directly through the app. One of the coolest features of the Tesla app is the ability to share your car with others. You can create multiple driver profiles and even set limits on speed and driving range. This is perfect for sharing your car with family or friends. Now, while the Tesla app is packed with features, it's important to remember that not all features are available on all models. Some features, like Summon, require specific hardware and software options. But even if you don't have all the bells and whistles, the app is still a valuable tool for managing your Tesla. So, there you have it. A quick guide to downloading and using the Tesla app. It's a powerful tool that can make owning a Tesla even more enjoyable. Remember, the app is constantly being updated with new features, so be sure to keep an eye out for future updates. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.